There was another time when I didn't explain it and I got in trouble because I moved the offering. And I moved the offering to the end of the service, the very last thing, and I did it on purpose to be a response to the sermon. It was a very appropriate thing to do, except I hadn't told some of the people, especially the woman who counted the money. The entire sermon, she's saying to the person next to her out loud with a voice that was, like this whisper that everybody hears, "He forgot the offering." And I said to her later, "Never fear, I will never forget the offering." So that was sort of a lesson to me. If you shepherd the people, if you lead the people to the moment, explain it to them so that they're not shocked and not surprised, and explain, although you might not really love this, it'll help you expand your thoughts on it, and be assured I'm not doing away with your favorite fill in the blank. So I would just say it's more a method of walking them through it, I guess.